Let's resume the use of ko. So nouns or pronouns used as object are followed by ko with certain verbs like bulana, to call, sulana, to put to sleep, jagana, to wake up, dasna, this is specifically for a snake bite, dhundna, to look for, kosna, to curse, marna, to beat, dantna, to scold. Let's see the examples. Put the child to sleep. बच्चे को सुलाओ. So see that we are using को after बच्चे. बच्चे को सुलाओ. Wake रानी up. रानी को जगाओ. जगाना, to wake up. To wake someone up is jagana, and when you yourself wake up, that is jagna. When you sleep yourself, that is sona, and when you are putting someone to sleep, ideally a child, that is sulana. The washerman beat the donkey. धोबी ने गधे को मारा. So gadha is donkey, dhobi washerman. Also note that all the nouns before ko, they are oblique because ko is a postposition. Bacche ko, not bachcha ko. Gadhe ko, not gadha ko. If we separately just use the word child, we say bachcha. For donkey, we say gadha. But since we are using ko, we make them oblique. The old woman curses him time to time. बुढ़िया सदैव उसको कोसती है. So सदैव is all the time. Some text is missing here. सदैव is all the time. उसको can be her or him, both. The teacher will scold us. अध्यापक हमें डांटेगा. Who are you looking for? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? When the verb root and ne is used, then we also add ko. For example, we will go to see the Taj Mahal. हम ताज महल देखने को जाएंगे. So देखने को, the verb is देखना, the root is देख, and then we added ने. So देखने को जाएंगे. In conversations, people also say देखने जाएंगे. So it's not completely wrong if you don't add ko here. Some more examples. I am ready to go with you. मैं आपके साथ चलने को तैयार हूँ. She has agreed to study abroad. वह विदेश में पढ़ने को राज़ी है. राज़ी है is in agreement. When someone is in agreement with you, that is called राज़ी है. तैयार हूँ means I am ready. तैयार has different uses. One is when you are ready to go. One is when you are dressed up, or when you are prepared also. So like मैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए तैयार हूँ. I am ready for the exam. I am ready to go. मैं जाने को तैयार हूँ या मैं चलने को तैयार हूँ. I can also use तैयार as like prepared for a meal. The meal is ready. खाना तैयार है. The workers were ready to go on strike. Strike is हड़ताल. कर्मचारी हड़ताल करने को तत्पर थे. तत्पर actually is eager, not just ready. तत्पर is eager to go. कर्मचारी worker. Ko is used in language structures when you are asking someone to do something. Means you asked one person asks another person to study, to eat, to play, like this. So X asks Y to study. X Y को पढ़ने को कहता है. So for example, नेहा and देवकी. नेहा देवकी को पढ़ने को कहती है. They use कहता है because they assumed that X is masculine. But we are talking about two females. पढ़ने को कहती है. These are just different tenses. Asks, present tense, asked, past tense, will ask, future tense. So just notice that other, just apart from the verbs, पढ़ने को, खाने को, खेलने को, look at the endings. कहता है, कहती है, कहा, this is past tense. कहेगा, will ask, this is future tense. Then when an adjective is used as a noun object, let's look at the examples. Don't trouble the poor. गरीबों को परेशान न करो. Support the orphans. अनाथों को आश्रय दो. Don't kill the already dead. मरों को मत मारो. Everybody likes the rich. धनियों को सब पसंद करते हैं. So here, परेशान करना, परेशान न करो. परेशान करना is to trouble someone. आश्रय is also shelter. आश्रय is also support. मत मारो. मारना is to kill or to beat up. मत मारो, don't kill. मरों को, already dead. धनियों को, the rich. धनी means someone who is wealthy or rich. पसंद करना is to like. को is used with definite time nouns also. For example, we are talking about a specific time of the day. Like during the day, दिन को. In the morning, सुबह को. At night, रात को. In the evening, शाम को. Ko also follows the days. For example, on Monday, सोमवार को. On Tuesday, मंगलवार को. Also follows definite dates, like on the 3rd, 3 तारीख को. On the 5th, 5 तारीख को. It also follows place nouns with some verbs of movement such as chalna, jana. Like we used here, chalne ko, jaane ko, taiyar hoon. Like this. Let's see. So in spoken, when we are using these verbs of movement or motion, ko is usually dropped. For example, if you want to say, I am going to Delhi. मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. You will not use को here. In conversations, we don't use को. Go home. घर चलो और घर जाओ. Right? So you see, ko is dropped here in conversations. We don't use it while conversing. I am coming there. मैं वहीं आ रहा हूँ. Now, ko follows purpose clauses. Here, के लिए can be used. For example, God has given me 2 hands and a healthy body to do work. प्रभु ने मुझको काम करने को 2 हाथ और स्वस्थ शरीर दिया है. Instead of को here, I can use के लिए. प्रभु ने मुझको काम करने के लिए 2 हाथ और स्वस्थ शरीर दिया है. Why do you talk so much? तुम काहे को इतना बोलते हो? और तुम काहे के लिए इतना बोलते हो? Father has sat down to eat. पिताजी खाने के लिए बैठे हैं और पिताजी खाने को बैठे हैं. Ko also follows a subject in case of certain verbs. Let's look at these verbs. To like, पसंद होना, पसंद आना, अच्छा लगना. To know how to do something, आना. To be visible, दिखाई देना. To be audible, सुनाई देना. Used in language structures implying compulsion, like होना, पढ़ना, चाहिए. To know something, मालूम होना और पता होना. To have hope, आशा होना. To remember, याद होना. So, we see these words in these examples. I like to speak Hindi. मुझको हिंदी बोलना पसंद है. पसंद है, पसंद होना is to like. And बोलना is to speak. उनको दूरदर्शन देखना अच्छा लगता है. दूरदर्शन is television. देखना to watch. अच्छा लगता है, they like. They like to watch television. उनको, मुझको, so you see the use of को here. डिड यू लाइक द फिल्म? क्या तुमको फिल्म पसंद आई? आई नो हाउ टू स्विम। मुझको तैरना आता है। आई कैन सी अ बर्ड। मुझको एक चिड़िया दिखाई दे रही है। कैन यू हियर समथिंग? आपको कोई आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है? आई नो। मुझको मालूम है। डू यू नो? क्या आपको पता है? वी होप ऑल विल बी वेल। हमें आशा है सब ठीक होगा। आई रिमेंबर। मुझको याद है। आई हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली। मुझको जल्दी उठना पड़ता है। यू ऑट टू स्लीप अर्ली। आपको जल्दी सोना चाहिए। So see the use of को with all these examples. I hope you find this video useful. Hare Krishna.